Predictions. And before I start, as always, I'd like to thank my Jyotish gurus and spiritual gurus for always guiding me. I'm truly grateful. This is a very powerful month. This month is going to be a pause. It'll bring some positivity, some powerful changes in the world. Globally, there is going to be a lot of positivity in the sense that people are going to be focused on their own independent country and people, and try each country will try and focus on its economy. New trade alliances for the positive outcomes can be made. However, long term solutions for the war will not be achieved, and that will remain a failure. For you, for most of you, this month will bring new opportunities in your love life, in your career. This is a month where you can actually change your life forever. It can really upgrade your life to another level. So go ahead and say yes to things. Say yes to new opportunities. Leave your fear and hesitation aside and make the most of it, because this month can give you something that can not come again in a lifetime. It's a very, very powerful month and has the ability to bring huge success and create a life that you have always dreamt of. The only thing you need to do is stop being hesitant, move ahead, give it your best, and be confident. At the same time, there's one caution. If you're investing in long term businesses or starting new projects, be mindful and not put too much money into things, because this month can also look over promising in some regards. So, you might look at a business proposal and expect great money to come in, which may not come in the coming years or coming months, especially. So, look at the long term view, make a practical choice, go ahead and plan it in a way that you don't over assume or over promise things. Keep a balanced view in mind. Go ahead, enjoy yourself. This is a month where you spend time with family. You can go ahead and travel. There will be a pause in the war. I'm saying a pause. It's not over. But for now, go ahead and make the most of this positive month. This month will bring you the things that you are capable of. All the best. Have a great time. I'll be back with predictions in July, which will change this. So while this beautiful sunshine lasts, let's enjoy it to the maximum.